Okay, you ready for some pears? You ready for some pears for the first time? Pears for the first time. Yum. Is that good? You like that, huh? Daddy made you some pears. What do you think about that, buddy? Is that okay? You want some more? No. Is that good? You're eating really good, man. You ready for some more? Good job, buddy. Wow. Well, let's try a little bigger spoonful. Here we go. There you go. Look at you. Yeah, man. Tell me about it. Well, you got this. You like pears, huh? Yeah. It's a good breakfast. You like that? Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Yeah. You're eating a lot of pears. Yum. Good job, buddy. Good job, man. Yeah, good job. You ready? Yeah. Yeah. You like pears. You ready? Good job, buddy. Good job. Get it. Get it. Okay. Hey, let me get this.